K2 be the two variables. So K1 and K2 be the two variables, and hence here the solution is two variable independent. So let us write this in the form that is Ax equal to B form. That is, here B is 0. So here we can write x plus y minus 2z plus 3w equal to 0. Then from the second row minus 3y, then plus 3z minus 4w equal to 0. So here we have to assume K1 and K2 for two variables. So let z equal to K1 and w equal to K2. Then here we will get y equal to. So from